Oh, look here. Whoa. So in this one patch alone, you would have lost one. Oh my goodness, guys.
One, 2, 3, 4.
How much? You counting, Mr. Clark?
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Bearing fruit.
Bearing fruit.
See them out here, so.
Bearing fruit.
Oh my goodness.
And the bearing fruit.
Why you cover them up for though?
I see like how this style, I cover them in nothing more, but like sometimes in the ear, I just chop it and just...
I think you just cover them because you just can't bear for seed.
You better believe.
You can't just bear for seed.
I cut a bunch from there, 45 pound it weigh.
Look at this, planting banana, planting as far back as you can see. Look there, guys. Destruction on Mr. Clark farm, poor Junior. But the boga is like a worm.
Is a worm, right.
So that is one of the reasons why you need the fertilizer. Hey nature lovers, welcome to my island home in the Breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth on the island of 876, Jamaica. Welcome back also to my channel, Sandra Fostering. I am Sandra, and on this channel I do all things nature, from backyard gardening, everything related to nature, to create a very therapeutic and peaceful background and environment. Today's video is a very special one. This is called Junior's Story, and Mr. Clark, or Junior as we refer to him as, is a local farmer. He farms plantains and bananas in the Breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. His farm was battered by Hurricane Beryl. When I say battered, I mean battered. Guys, remember I'm from the islands and I speak my local dialect. And today this tour is all about showcasing the damage, the devastation, the destruction of his farm, and also to highlight some of his needs that he may have in helping him to pick up the pieces and to get going again. In part 2, I will cover his comeback. Watch out for that. So today we'll be visiting his farm and touring it to look at the damage and to see how much we can support him. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. To those of you who have already subscribed, you are my longtime followers and supporters. Thank you very much. So guys, Mr. Clark Jr. has already advised me to come bottled up in my turtleneck and long sleeve because mosquitoes. The farm is infested with mosquitoes, guys. Since Beryl came, a barrage of mosquitoes has been on the island of Jamaica. So come with me, come join me on the tour. Let's go. Yeah, I tell you, man. Here, look on that picture here. You think the mosquito can big so?
Jeez, I fly.
And the picture don't blow up. So we're going to...
I will start from now.
Right, so we're on Mr. Clark's farm, otherwise called Junior.
Yeah.
Here in Santa Cruz, right? After Hurricane Beryl.
You start chop down and thing, you know.
You start chop down.
Yeah, man, and dig out and plant afresh.
Right. This is a few days after we started the last time.
But two sides all over here, you know.
Oh, this side too?
Yeah, this side chop down, you know, me chop down things of these, you know.
Oh. A lot of nice too.
A lot of them break off all, you know, the root.
Right. But like this one now.
Alright, this one chip, so this is the young suckers them come.
Right, the suckers are there. But so this one will cut off now. This one will shoot again.
This one will still come off. I did young.
It did young. Oh,
right, so it still come.
Right.
But you know, after I come up, these suckers come. No, me leave just like two suckers. You know.
So you don't transplant. They take out.
Right.
So this one, all this drop down here, so now.
That come, that now come again.
This won't come again. It just might stay like that.
So,
wow.
Sooner or later, I just cut them off and, you know, see all.
Because this can't even make porridge, not true?
That can't make porridge yet.
You don't have no fruit.
Food are these yet, man.
No food in there.
Just I make food. See,
So that can make
this
porridge.
guy.
So what here again? Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
man, we take up most of these. See most of these. See them here.
Wow. Wow.
The nice ones, them and they young. Pick them.
No huge bunches to Mr. Clark. No, they are huge bunches. What's there? Wow.
But you see, this has a, me just I get weak, so mash me up. See another bunch here again.
Oh.
If I just get some fertilizer, that feels so good. You know.
So what kind of fertilizer you need?
What do you call it? White! Come here. I would prefer the white fertilizer still for this.
White fertilizer?
Yeah, the white one.
They
What
sell
they
at
call
the
it?
farm
Urea or
store?
something like yeah, man, it's in a farm
So
store.
how much for that?
Fertilizer expensive, you know. About $12,000.
$12,000
bag.
a bag. And how many bags you would need?
100 bags.
100 bags.
No man, me no want so. No man, me say the pack we 100. The bag of fertilizer is 100 in it.
We have to have like a humor in all our
Yeah.
distress,
Yes,
you know.
man.
In all our distress, Mr. Clark, we have to have like a humor.
All of these we used to do on the white fertilizer I call it urea. Is that urea?
Yeah.
Alright, the urea.
Urea, that's it. So you have to have this fertilizer on it.
You don't have to, but it's not like how this storm comes. Every storm blow. You always come with one of disease, you know.
Oh,
Yeah. The disease always come and slow you up.
and slow you up. So you better if you have the little bit of.
The fertilizer burn out all the little acid.
So the urea is the good one, Mr. Clark, Mr. White?
Yeah. For the
Right.
banana here.
For the banana.
I feel like the boga there.
They call it?
Boga.
Boga.
Yeah.
You want to rub me at the soil.
Mm-hmm.
The boga written talking about.
So the boga.
Right, the boga, these, I don't plant these.
Oh, the boga does that to the.
So
you
the
can't
plants,
plant that.
right, so you get a week of growing.
So the boga is like a worm.
The
innit?
worm is a worm, right.
So that is one of the reasons why you need the fertilizer.
Yeah.
No, because if they had a little fertilizer, that
You're
would
gone. So all these
So
coming
it's
up.
a good thing you can recognize it though.
Me know it in the promise, let me know all of them. So these sucker don't really plant them.
You don't plant those.
I'm coming when the man come and see me, the amount we see on the tree. He turned to me and said, I'll give me $100,000 if you don't sell none. And just making him get.
And did you do that?
You could, if you didn't take him money now, I would have fertilizer, but I didn't take him money. We never take him money from him and see that he wouldn't get the planting as all in a really
You
want.
wouldn't get the plant, but you don't have,
But
the
we don't have the
fertilizer.
fertilizer.
And in time you will eventually get the
You
plant.
either get it sooner or later.
Yes.
Alright, I will go this side now.
Wow. Look there guys, as far back as you can see. Wow. That is a good thing about it though.
Yeah, man, that's a good thing about it, you know.
You have the different suckers.
Yes.
So you have
Right.
in here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Have it dig out.
6, 7, 8,
Never dig out.
9.
Look at them. Alright, see, I did
9
now.
suckers here, so Mr. Clark, so you can get 9
Can-
different plants.
So all these will come and break off the seed.
Right.
So cut them now and then start.
Right, then starts. Oh, these are cut off after the storm,
And it's-
after the
right,
hurricane.
after the storm.
And look at this already, guys.
Yeah.
Look at this new growth already. Can you believe it? This is like 8 days after the storm, after the hurricane. And here again. So he just cut them down. They had
Right.
fallen like those. Well, fallen like some others they had
Because
seen.
some of these now seriously cut have young planting and it's some you just cut them off.
Right, cut them
They
off
start
and look at
spring
it.
again.
So they're springing back up. So
Right.
you know what this shows us, Mr. Clark Jr.? That there's hope.
Yes, man. I believe that level. So if you have the fertilizer now, it will bring it much faster.
Bring it much faster.
Faster, right.
Because what Mr. White was saying a while ago that
The urea is a salt, white, you know.
You know,
Run
you
all the-
sprinkle it
sprinkle around.
Yeah.
Right. So one root will come all the way out here, you know.
Yes, because you know the banana root
Right.
extend a lot. You know, go down deep, but it
You
extends.
don't go down deep. Coming up quick.
Yeah, see here, the suckers coming back up quickly. See them here? So how long after you cut it off here, so now? How long will it take before the plant or the banana come back to
8
fruit?
months.
8
8
months.
months. So how long you have to wait?
So what you're saying is that with all of how your farm battered by the hurricane, and if everybody farm in Jamaica stay almost the same way as we're not gonna have no
We're not
food.
going to have no food.
It's 8 months we have to wait.
8 months.
You hear that, guys? 8
8
months. 8 long
That
months. So,
stage become then.
so we're
So
looking
you
at.
need a little boots to help you.
So you're looking at next year.
Next year.
Some months. So what you're saying is that if you get the boost now, the fertilizer.
Yeah,
you
you
remember the fertilizer again?
Urea.
Urea.
Yeah.
UREA. Right, urea.
So
Then
much
that
come
will
again.
help him to come a little faster.
Fast, I come a little faster.
And if you get rid
The
of
kilos
some
come a
of the
little
disease.
bit.
So if you get the urea now, the fertilizer, the urea, guys, he needs fertilizers. This farmer here, Mr. Clark in Santa Cruz, he needs fertilizers. So if any of you can extend any help, I'm asking you kindly, it's $12,000 a bag for the fertilizer, and he's gonna need probably a couple of bags. So if you get the fertilizer now, and if it is fertilized, how long
It'll come in a little faster, so the bearing will start earlier still.
earlier?
Yes, still earlier. You know the fertilizer always boosts you for this.
It boosts it. And it's
Everything.
not much chemical that one has, right? You're not going to destroy your organic farm. Oh, look there. Whoa. So in this one patch alone, you would have lost one.
You see?
Oh my goodness, guys.
1, 2, 3,
One.
4.
How much? You count, Mr. Clark.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all
Bearing
these-
fruit.
Bearing
Put them out here, so.
Bearing fruit.
Oh my goodness.
I'm the bearing fruit.
Why you cover them up for the...
I see like how this style, I cover them in nothing more, but like sometimes in the ear, I just chop you and just.
I think you just cover them
cover the
because
two
you just can't bear for seed.
You better believe.
You can't just bear for seed a lot. There's so much damage.
Most of them have to put like these and break off.
Look at this, guys.
Right?
Quite a few of them break
Break
from
off, right? If
Come
it
explain
just
this to
turn
me.
over
Mhm.
without breaking, then see and then can't fit and make porridge and all them stuff.
Look at me, Mr. Clark. Look at me. How much plantains and banana you lose? Estimate it.
Alright, over, to be honest, it's over 260 fresh root when we did plant it. First, over 260. So and now when they start come up now, you just then double up.
They double
One
up.
tree now, when we plant one tree have all 4 planted in it. So you don't say double up.
So you would have lost much more than 260. If you're looking at over 400 plants. Watch here, guys. Look here. You look on these people. Look there. Look there. So no one said it's done. Nothing.
Alright.
It open up after it
After
falls?
this time now, it take time and open up.
Oh, so when you drop it, it cover up.
Cover up, roll up, right.
But since the storm now,
This time it open up.
oh, wow. And in here, so look at it. It's 2 big one like this you lose.
Yeah, do the road there, take something.
I'm heartbreak. I'm
Alright, if
I'm
all
heartbroken.
if it's so now we want to get it break down like this one here. And fit.
So if it break down
Like
all
that
of
one
this
and you
thing.
know what break the root. See me
So this one can stay here.
this
so
is a
until-
banana, I know.
Yes.
Eat banana, so you can't
So this
stay there and
almost
fit,
fit already.
Almost
And it can stay there and fit
right.
too.
Fit out.
So those that you can save some of those.
We have to save what we can save while we still need something to eat.
Of course. But like this one now.
That's not come again, man.
This now come again, guys. Look on them. So many of it now come again. Wow. You come support your friend, Mr. White.
And scale.
One bunch of plants.
One bunch of planting.
We have 45 pounds. Guys, look at them big old ones they were crushed. Look at those big ones were crushed, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This one come completely out of the ground.
Yeah, man.
Look at this one.
Root over the dirt.
Look here, come look at this, Mr. Clark. Look here. You
You
see? You see it there? Look at this.
Right, the first sucker coming up.
Right. It's coming, baby.
So like these are one, so they come a little time, I just pitch off those little sucker.
Yeah, it's some there. This one come right all the way out. off the ground.
God have mercy.
Oh.
Just bear it.
So about how many acres this is? About how many acres this is?
And you know, I never really estimated about the acres, to be
Yeah.
honest. If you turn me, I don't really about it. Alright, like this one. You can find this in my forest.
This one can
Yes.
stay to make porridge.
If you burn up, you start burning me like this.
Yeah, you have to cover it back
So
up.
we just cover it because the feet if sun heat no burn it up. Just cover them.
Turn that, guys. Look at that, guys. As far as you can see. Look there. Destruction. Destruction. Look at that. Look at this. Planting, banana, planting as far back as you can see. Look there, guys. Destruction on Mr. Clark farm. Poor Junior. Look there, guys. As far back as you can see. Wow. And in addition to that, breadfruit crash.
God have mercy.
Cassava turn upside down. Look at breadfruit, guys. What a loss. What a loss. Terrible loss. Terrible loss. Heartbreaking. This is heartbreaking. I'm telling you, so this is heartbreaking. Heartbreaking, man. Every single corner you look, every square inch you look and turn, it's just, what's here? Where you get that? Yes, so you mainly plant the plant and banana, but every little thing in there.
Everything.
And over here, so Lord, look at this. Look at it. My goodness. So much destruction.
Wow. Need help and you know, get help.
Yeah, yes, my I tell you, Junior. Okay.
Still have breadfruit on the tree. Can't do it.
That is it, you know. So even though a whole heap come off a tree and whole heap a tree turn and tumble down, at least you have back
all
some.
the trees, all of them it break them just like this. You see turn on until the sunlight and change it.
Right. So if all of them when they had fallen had
just like
wow, this is one big old tree though. What's here? Whoa, so this one almost come out of the ground, but
it can still lay and fit.
still not have to trouble this one.
No, I'm not in trouble with it.
Wow,
That's how it goes.
that was so informative. So Mr. White, you're here to support.
Yes, miss.
Next farmer.
Yeah, next farmer. What you plant? Potato?
Sweet potato, sorrel.
Right. So you had sorrel in as well?
Yeah, but then low.
Then low, but because yours low.
Right.
You never get affected
Yeah.
much by it.
Right.
But thanks that you're here to support Mr. You're here to support Junior. So we're all here as community people as well to support. So I'm gonna keep abreast with him farm and come back and check on him. Junior, thank you so much for this tour.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much for this tour. We're gonna come back and yes, man, we're gonna come back.
I don't even know where to start.
No, where to start, you know, Junior. I'm gonna tell you where you start. You see what you're doing right there now? In planting back when mash down.
Right.
Continue doing that.
No, me not stop.
Continue doing that. While you have the little strength, you know, me know the sun hot, but wake up early in the morning and continue doing that.
Sometimes 6 o'clock, sometimes I dig all 10 hole already and plant.
Right.
By 7 o'clock, we plant them. Yeah.
Right. So start doing that until you know you can get your little reinforcement, little help. Yes, Junior. It was lovely touring with you this morning. Guys, I hope you found Junior's story very touching and appealing. If you did, drop the most appealing part of his story in the comments. Also, if you'd like to reach out to him personally, some contact information will be placed in the description box below. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one. Walk good. Enough love until me see you next time. In part 2, I will cover his comeback. Watch out for that.